If you want to see the history with the same essence of past and mind-blowing signature of art of the artist of the ancient India, then the tour of Ajanta Ellora cave is must. The city is a tourism hub surrounded by many historical monuments including the Ajanta Ellora caves, which are UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's a dream destination of thousands of tourists around the globe. Dating back to as far as the 2nd century BC, the Ajanta caves is a testimony to the prevalent religions of Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism that were initiated back then. So, if you are planning a short trip for Ajanta Ellora, then you have come to the right place. Today, in this video, I will be guiding you with 3-night, 4-day tour plan for Aurangabad along with all details. So, don't skip any part and watch till end. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification. You can reach Aurangabad by both flight and train. By flight, you have to reach Aurangabad airport. Flight fare ranges between 4,000 to 6,000 rupees for both sides per person. By train also, you have to reach Aurangabad railway station. From Aurangabad, you can take a bus to reach Ajanta caves. Now coming to day-wise tour plan. Day 1, reach Aurangabad and get transferred to your hotel. Get fresh and then go out for Aurangabad sightseeing. Start with Bibika Maqbara, Aurangabad, which consists of a beautiful mausoleum of Rabia Ui Dorani. Then visit Daulatabad Fort, which has reputation of being one of the most powerful fortress. Then go to Aurangabad Caves, 20 km from northwest. These caves are 12 rock-cut Buddhist shrines. Then head towards Panchakki, which is a water mill that was built by Hazrat Baba Shah Musafir. Then go to Salim Ali Lake. There is a small bird sanctuary near the lake. Then visit Soneri Mahal. It's a Rajput palace built of limestone. Then go to Hazar Sahib Namnet, which is one of the 5 takhts in the Sikh culture. Then move towards Naukhanda Palace, which has 9 apartments with interior buildings consisting of 5 zananas. Day 2. On day 2, move towards Ajanta caves. Cover the tourist spots of Ajanta. There are over 100 caves at the site, all excavated from the basalt cliffs in the Chandranadi Hills, which consist of 12 Buddhist, 17 Hindu, and 5 Jain caves. Day 3. Explore Ellora caves. There are total 34 caves which contain beautiful rock-cut temples. Ellora caves are one of the prime attraction to the visitor. Day 4. Back from Aurangabad. This is how your entire trip will end here. The months between November to March are the best time to explore the caves as the weather remains pleasant enough during this time. You can hire private taxi to explore Aurangabad, which will cost around 2,000 to 2,500 rupees, or there are several government and local buses to travel Ajanta and Ellora. Private auto rickshaw will cost 1,000 rupees. Ajanta caves remain closed on Monday and Ellora caves remain closed on Tuesday, so plan your trip accordingly. Aurangabad is open for tourists, but anyone who has not taken even a single dose of COVID-19 vaccine will be denied entry at historical monuments and sites. At least 1 dose of vaccine is mandatory. There is a lot of accommodation option in Aurangabad which will cost around 1,000 to 1,500 rupees per night. I have mentioned few below in the description box. I have mentioned almost all details regarding a decent tour plan for Aurangabad. If you want any other details, please leave your comment below in the comment section. So now this is the cost breakup for the entire tour plan. Hope this video is informative for you guys. We'll come back soon with next video. Stay safe, wear mask.